So I've got for you some gut healthy recipes. I'm going to go come show these to you real quickly, starting with the protein balls. I've got 2 different flavors of protein balls, really low sugar, high fiber, and great essential oils in them. You can use On Guard, Slim and Sassy, peppermint, orange, just whatever you enjoy. Next thing I wanted to show you was these egg. These are frozen. I freeze these. They're just a little egg muffin. So there's cheese and a ham, or I've got Brussels sprouts and greens. So these are really a quick, just pick up, thaw out, and on the run breakfast. The next thing I wanted to show you is a salmon patty. I serve these with some lemon and cauliflower rice. We ate up all the cauliflower rice last night, but that's a really easy fix, and you can use maybe tilapia and salmon or flounder and salmon. Just chop it up. I do add a few of these little panko for just a little crusty flavor, and it kind of helps them stick together a little bit better. I just kind of powder them after I make it into a patty. Then I have 2 soups. This is a Slim and Sassy, or Slim and, I call it skinny soup. So it just has some of these vegetables in it and a V8, or I just use a low sodium tomato juice and just plenty of great fiber. I really like the Hearst 3-bean soup recipes, and I used some of that along with some garbanzo beans to make a really yummy Cajun style soup that has the this next one is teriyaki chicken in a vegetable bowl with some cilantro, and you can warm up some kimchi and serve with that, which is a really great probiotic food. Just don't heat it too much because it destroys the probiotics in it. I also made a couple of different dips. I've got a hummus dip that's really great with carrots. It's a basil hummus with the lemon essential oils in it, as well as basil. And this has some, this is a creamy dip with some thyme in it. No, excuse me. Not thyme, rosemary. Just a little bit of rosemary, and I use the sour cream and cream cheese, and season that with the dill, the Hidden Valley dill dip. And the next thing I was going to show you is just a way to really extend your fruit. I freeze little pieces of fruit: strawberry, pear, kiwi, grapes, and blueberries, and then I squeeze a little bit of lime over that and serve that for a dessert. It's just a way to extend the sweetness and kind of enjoy it in a different way. And you want to avoid the sweets in your diet, so that's a good way to get natural sweets. One of the last things I do for those that really are not into cooking, and I really love using these as an alternate to just a good meal or a good dessert or breakfast, I take a scoop of protein powder and some fiber, a little bit, a scoop of greens, and then about 4 cups of water or ice. I like to make these ice cubes out of vegetable juice and cucumbers, and I just juice them and then use them throughout the summer to make my smoothies. And I add a little either banana or some frozen fruit and blend that up and make just a wonderful, yummy, fiber-rich protein drink. Okay, I hope you enjoy.